Hello traders, welcome. This is Will from Trade with Wills. Today I will be showing you some review about this free crypto uTrading robot. Let's see what others are saying about this crypto trading bot, if it's worth giving a try. But please, before we proceed, I would like you to click the subscribe button if today is your first time of being on my channel, or this is your first time of seeing my video. Click the subscribe button, turn on notification so that whenever I drop new updates, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, so that being done, let's proceed. So we'll move over to Play Store. So this is a uTrading robot on Play Store. So let's move down to review. So this review, rating and reviews. All right, so let's click. All right, so these are some of the review. This was dropped on 28th of May 2023. Said uTrading is a system. I'm giving this app a 5-star rating because it has exceeded my expectation in terms of functionality and ease of use. Wow. Okay, so this next one says the bot is a game changer for struggling traders and experienced traders to put trading to the new level. Wow. Another nice one. So this is an excellent bot I have ever come across. I will recommend it to every person. Wow. Okay, so let's see this one. So this is one of the best app I've ever used. Wow. See, uTrading robot is very good because it's used without analysis. Wow. Well, see, my problem with the bot is floating loss. As profits rapidly increase, the floating loss also increase. So you get this when you don't follow the instructions. So there are instructions for you to use the bot effectively. There are instructions. So if you don't follow it, that's when you experience this. That's why I advise those on my team to make sure they follow and get notification how to set up their bot effectively. So let's see, say good day, please. Why are my floating loss so much? When using edge mode, you see the same complaint because I didn't follow instructions. So there are instructions for you to follow in order to have the better performance from this bot. See, with wonderful application for cryptocurrency, does it require to pay it before to pay in order to start using it? Wow. So it's free. It's free, unlike other bots that you have to pay, you have to purchase. See, uTrading bot is really performing wonders. Wow. See, wow, this uTrading is performing wonders. Wow. See, it's a good and profitable trading AI tool. Wow. Positive. So there are lots of them, lots of reviews. This is a game changer. It's a game changer. uTrading robot is the best ever in trading. uTrading bot is proven to be the most super intelligent crypto trading robot. Wow. So there are lots. So take your time. Go to Google Play. Read the reviews there. They are wonderful reviews. Lot of positive reviews. So please, if you're yet to sign up, endeavor to sign up. Use the link in this video description or the link in my Telegram or WhatsApp community to sign up so that we guide you properly on how to set up your bot so that you don't fall prey of like those persons complaining of floating loss and all that. If you don't set it properly, those are what you encounter. But if you're in my team, you are so guaranteed. So thank you for watching. See you next. Bye.